Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back. I wonder what she's pontificating about now. She's sitting on a bench, she says it's hot, but hey, we're living in paradise. Let's have a look and see what Miss Grazie Restaurant has got to say.
I'm dripping all over. Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again. My makeup is
and again, stick with us. We are going to go from the Kato Paphos promenade area, that's this area, and that's the blue Mediterranean Sea, and we're going to take you round the back streets of the promenade area and guide you around some of the restaurants, some of the businesses and some of the shops, and you never know, we might get to meet some old friends and we might get to meet some new friends.
Old friends are very good, but new friends are better.
So stick with us as we take you up the side streets, which starts off at the Harbour. That's the Harbour restaurant bar, which is where the promenade area ends. And we're going to go up past these shops, past where Major Tito hangs out with his three-wheeler electric trikes, and we're going to bear round to the right. We're going to take you past the Papa Antonio supermarket, past the Leptos Basilica holiday resort, and wiggle our way round and come out by the Harbour area T for 2, and of course take you down to the Kato Paphos blue Mediterranean Sea just at the very start of the promenade. So we'd like you to come with us, so here we go. That's the new major improved car parking area that was the bus station. The bus station has now been temporarily moved further yonder, and it's actually going to be relocated to the area known as Tomb of the Kings. So stick with us. There's various shops. There's the Profile Jewellery Shop. It's a Sunday, so it's closed. You've got an optician's, Saba Optical just over there, and you've got gift shops and gift shops and gift shops. Let's get in the shade and have a look and see what Grazie Restaurant has to say.
How nicely lady smiling. She's probably know who we are, or if not, I'm very glad that the people pay attention on us. Well, this shop line is a very popular with me, especially with the dining.
Yes, unfortunately, this is a very popular parade of shops with Grazie Restaurant and my wallet. There's a gift shop that sells hats, swimming shoes. If you're ever wondering, this is the things that I'm on about when I mean swimming shoes or sea shoes. They allow you to go into the ocean without cutting your feet to shreds because there's quite a lot of rocks. Of course, hold on, Grazie Restaurant's seen something.
This is beautiful. I've never seen. Wow. Yeah. Oh, I've lost both ears.
Not too bad, Grazie Restaurant.
Yeah, if you say not too bad, I have to find the mirror immediately. It means it's not too bad.
Should have kept my mouth closed there, that was for sure.
Oh. You need to buy immediately. Otherwise, I'll sit here and cry.
Me and my big mouth. Hold on a sec. Let me get some money. Lucky they're cheap. There you go.
Really
Go and buy them. Get on with it. The video's going to get too long. Go and buy them. There we go. Take the money. I tell you, sometimes you can't force this woman to buy something. These videos are costing me too much money. We've got to get going. I've dropped money all over the floor. Let's pick it up. It's only chump change. Grazie Restaurant, go and buy them. There we are. Let's follow the rear end as she departs with my money and starts to spend it. Quite a nice gift shop, this, by the way. It's got all sorts of creams and lotions. It's got all sorts of jewellery. Look at that. There's quite a lot going on in this shop, that's for sure. As we come round, we've got gifts, we've got bags, we've got all sorts of lighters. There's a lot going on. We've got watches, we've got religious icons. Look at that. But, as you may have heard, there is something playing in the background, so let's get the hell out of this shop and wait for Grazie Restaurant to catch us up with, hopefully, some of my change. Next door, we've got a Belgian waffle ice cream shop. A very nice place indeed. I should have spent my €10 there, that's for sure. What's it called, this one? There it is. Nice place to get an ice cream, or a nice iced latte, or a frappe. Grazie Restaurant? There we are. Have I got any change? Excellent. Come on.
How nice.
There we are. Right, leave them on and put those away.
Why?
Well, you can leave them on now. There we go. A woman ready for every occasion, always carrying at least 2 pairs of sunglasses. Now, this is a very nice little shop, and we've befriended this guy, but every time we come past to make the movie, he's actually close. How'd you say that shop, Grazie Restaurant? Alesi. So they've got a downtown Kato Paphos one, they've got an uptown, old town Paphos one. One of these days we're going to get in there, and his name's Nicholas, and we're going to storm it and have a look at some of the things he's got for sale. Lots of shoes, lots of handbags. Very, very nice guy indeed. Not the cheapest of shops, that's for sure, but the quality of the product is very, very good. And then next door to that is a religious icon shop, and it's selling craftware. And then next door to that, it's got some jewellery. So let's keep going. Now you've got a more cheaper gift shop selling all sorts of bits and bobs. Things starting off at 50 cents, €1, €2, €3. So if you want a little gift for the neighbours, that sort of stuff, that could be the place to pop. Next door to that is the vape store. That's open 6 days a week. Today's Sunday, hence it's closed. And of course, next door to that, you've got Captain Tito's head branch, and this is where you come if you want to rent one of these. So there's the three-wheeled electric trikes, and if you're looking for them on the internet, www.kbdscooter.com, 96215546 if you're in Cyprus. If you're not, 00357 on the beginning. The girl in charge of this branch is our new Gumbaru Maria, and the overall boss is Mr. Tito. The price is very reasonable, and it's a great, great way to find your way around downtown Kato Paphos. Starts off at only €15 for 1 hour. That's quite reasonable indeed.
There's a boy in charge, not
Well, he's in charge today. What's your name, sir?
Hello, my name is Leo. That's
Leo. Cool, cool. So Leo's in charge today, but on other days, Maria's in charge. Do you know Maria? Of course he knows Maria.
Maria today is.
She's not here today. She's off today. She's only here Monday to Friday. There we go. You see her?
Yeah.
Lovely. Thanks, Leo. Good luck. Good luck today. Absolute star. So that's the man in charge of the trikes today. They also do other things, other excursions up and down the island, the Blue Lagoon trips, that sort of stuff. So you can book there. The price of these excursions, wherever you book it, doesn't go up. It's a fixed price. Obviously, all of these other shops and Gumbaras along the beachfront, what actually happens is they make a little bit of commission out of that price. That's how it works. Same anywhere else in the world. Right, just over here, we are now rapidly approaching the Basilica Holiday Resorts. That's the Leptos Basilica Resort, a mixed complex of apartments and penthouses on the top floor. They've got a downtown restaurant, they've got a gymnasium, they've got washing facilities, a great, great swimming pool, and it's a very, very friendly place to be. Now, unfortunately, the place I wanted to come to is closed. There we go. So, Mr. Marios, Miss Faye, I wanted to come for a can of Coke, and I was going to wander around your store and show all the people the beauty of all of the extraordinary spirits that you've got. Because if you want a special bottle of champagne or wine or cognac, gin, that sort of stuff, that's one of the places in Paphos to go. That's their speciality. On top of selling cans of Coke and refreshing drinks, and they've got 2 nice cats that park outside as well, they also sell a massive range of that special spirit that you might want for yourself or for one of your friends.
They do have some luxury boxes with a presentative bottles inside, and they've got so nicely done boxes with the ribbons. Oh, it's amazing. Great,
great gifts. So if you want that special bottle of something, that's one of the places to go. There's not many places in Paphos that sell that something special. Now obviously it's not going to be €10, it's going to be 20, 30, 40, 50 or up. But if it's something you want that's very, very special, well, that's the place to go. You pop in, there's always 2 cats sitting outside with collars. They'll greet you. Marios will greet you, and his wonderful sister, Miss Faye, she will greet you. They speak perfect English because, of course, they are actually of South African descent. Now, across the road, to give you a bearing, that is the Leptos Basilica Holiday Resort. And then to this side, that is the Papa Antonio supermarket. So stick with this as we wiggle and we waggle through, as we call it, the back streets from the promenade. Nothing for you to worry about when I say back streets. It's just that they are the back streets. So here we go. So some of the buildings are under renovation, some of the buildings are to rent, some of the businesses are closed down. Nothing to do with COVID-19, it's just the way it is, as we understand, in the tourist area. But most of them will reopen and change hands as time goes on. That was a former hotel complex. Now it's being knocked about and rejigged and regenerated. Regenerated? I'm using my English. Rejuvenated, and it's being turned into some luxury apartment complexes. Again, over this side, slowly but surely, they are carrying on with this work, should we say. It's been like that for 20 years, but apparently someone has bought it, and there is a little bit of rendering going on. So one assumes that that either will become a holiday complex or apartments for sale. This here was a former fish and chip shop when I first came to Paphos, but it closed down a long, long time ago, which is a shame because it was very good fish and chips. But sometimes that's not enough. Over there you've got the Bubble Tail coffee shop, frappes, all that kind of thing. You've got a sandwich shop next to that, you've got a kiosk, you've got a hair braider, and you've got a taxi office, then you've got the Rose pub. And that's the way we're going to go. Cecilia?
I know one lovely fish and chips restaurant, which is T&J. Wow, it's amazing. When you're hungry, let it be, Mr. Paul. I know what you're showing, but I want to do it at home.
Right.
Because I can't believe my luck. These glasses reminds me of something else that I had before and I broke or I lost. I don't know. Actually, it was about 15 years ago, maybe more. And honestly, I was having such glasses, and I don't know what's happened with them. Either I lost or broke, but I know now that the glasses that I've got now, I had them so long time ago, couldn't find it anywhere. Look.
There we are. And as usual, she spent a little bit more of my money. So still, here we go. Receiver the booth has probably got enough sunglasses to open a sunglasses shop. In fact, not one, two or three.
Luckily, you know, there is some women, they have more. I know one woman, she's got 165 pairs of glasses.
I would say she's got more, but anyway, stay with us. Here we go. The Rose Pub as we start to curve round. So that's a place that has lots of entertainment. We'll stop and look at the sign to give you an idea. On a Tuesday, Alex D is here. He's playing acoustic guitar rock hits. On a Wednesday, you've got Boyansky playing guitar and acoustic rock. And then on the Thursday, you've got New Rule Duo playing acoustic pop and rock hits. There's a bit of rock and roll going on, that's for sure. Anyway, no, it's not. It's live music. She's got the thing about karaoke at the moment. It opens at 5 p.m. and it's open until late. At the moment, she's walking around going karaoke, karaoke. We're not going to a karaoke bar. Simple. Stick with us. Right. Now, if you were to take a left over there, you would come to the Grazie Restaurant, and if you went straight, you'll go past the Pyramus Hotel, and you'll come to a bit of a junction, and right in front of you will be the Sofiana Hotel and Spa, which means that you are to the rear of Bar Street over that way. But we're not going that way. We're going this way.
Can you see now that building is renovated, it's been renovated. Something new is going to be there. It's a very beautiful antique building, but now I think it's going to be something very, very more different. Not very modern, but they're going to keep the facade of it as an antique old one showing.
No, they're not. Right. Over there was a building. If you look to the top floor, you can see it was a bit of a monstrosity. The whole building was that monstrosity. Now someone's bought it, and as you can see, they have modernised the lower floor. They are modernising all that floor. That piece is sold, so that piece is going to stay the way it is, and that piece is being integrated into that piece, which will be luxury downtown apartments in Kato Paphos. So they're not turning it into it's a monstrosity. It was an absolute work of hell. Anyway, stick with us. Here we go. We will continue on our track. Some of these shops are open and some of these shops are closed. This is a place where you can come and punch the life out of the thing. You pay €1 and you get 2 goes. You pay it €2 and you get 5 goes. This is or was a barbecue place, as you can see. Yeah. And then next door to that is the Segway Tours. So if you want to go on a Segway, which is one of them things, if you're wondering what a Segway is, that's one of these two-wheeled weird things that you balance on. And off you go. There's an idea of the price of some of their tours, and it's called the Segway Tour. You'll see the Ala booth is a mannequin in their window, that's for sure. Can we see the rear end?
No, I've seen that one. You see what I was doing?
That's what she's seen. She's seen a woman all the way from Hawaii, And now she's doing the same thing. That's it, time for the rear end. There we go. That's what it's all about. Stick with us. Let's continue on our little trek down the back streets of downtown Kato Paphos. We've got a bit of a hair braided thing going on there, and we've got a fur coat selling shop there that's open during the week. This is a apartment complex called the Athena 2. So some people own in there, some people can rent holiday apartments in there. Over the road you've got the Freedom Gallery, which is way beyond the gift shop, and then you've got the 001 souvenir gift shop. And if you like the gifts in there so much, you can even buy the business because it's for sale. Further gift shop on this side selling all sorts of things from dollies to belts to etching Grazie booths.
How nice, by the way. Yeah, this is what I call work of art.
So these are the kind of things that you like.
Yeah.
So this could be that special gift. Most of them have got the word Cyprus written on them.
Yeah.
So that could be the special gift to take back for that special person.
It's all handmade, Paul. It's all handmade. And then you can put a bit of light underneath. I believe there is a hole.
Candles
and
or little lights, tea lights, that sort of thing, yes.
Yeah.
So stick with us. We are going to continue out and show you the focal point of where we actually are. So we're back to the end of the Pasidonius or the Hotels Avenue, T for 2. And over there, Alia All Day Lifestyle. And of course, this now is the very start of the Kato Paphos Promenade, and we're going to take you out to that. And that is, of course, the blue Mediterranean Sea. You're going to get a view to die for, and then, of course, it will be time for the very good goodbye. There's parasailing going on, and there's parasailing going on. And there's some gambaroos on some big noisy bikes. So those are retro bikes, that's for sure. And there's a lot of people swimming and dipping their feet in the blue Mediterranean Sea. So let's follow the rear end of Grazie booth as she guides us out to that blue sea. So stick with us. There's a great view coming up, and then it's going to be time for the big etching Grazie booth goodbye.
I would like to tell you that I enjoy my glasses, to be honest. I would like to tell you that it's a big fun to come downtown Kato Paphos and see lots and lots different things, and many things for watching, many things for your time and your attention. We loving you to bits. Don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses. And
all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching. And of course, if you do like what you see, please hit the like, click subscribe, and come back for a little bit more of our madness. We'll leave you with the beauty, the spectacality and the blueness of the blue Mediterranean Sea. Have a look at that.